How to remove clock from lock screen on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your Android device. In here, simply click on customization. After you click on customization, in here, you'll find clock on ambient display. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of option. At the bottom, scroll to the left and you will find None option. Click on None. Make sure the tick mark is in None. After you've done that, press on Save at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you're good to go. This is how to remove clock from lock screen on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.